That's on what can see every day. The other people they go around and they have the food and supply. How things are going?
Yeah, okay. All love from all of them.
Thank you very much. Today also I went to some place.
Yeah.
Honda. Yeah, alright. The deputy chief minister is very active. He told me that I have arranged everything. On that day, I entrusted him. Thank you very much. We can have food.
तुम्हीच घ्या ना आम्ही होईता
കണ്ടോ ഇന്നിപ്പോ ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു മെല്ലെ ആക്കാന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ട് മഴയുടെ
अरे तुम्ही सगळे समजून घे ना पुढे पुढे धावता मी फाटल्या ना
പോകുമ്പോഴേ കേരളത്തില് ഈ ദേവലോകത്തേക്ക് തെരഞ്ഞെടുത്തു അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ നാട്ടിലൊരു സ്വീകരണം ബാഡൂര്. അപ്പൊ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഞാൻ ചെല്ലാൻ നിർബന്ധം. അവിടെ
पार्टी यार
you are very happy that you take on this people. They are also getting a chance.
ये बोल रहे हैं कि हमेशा यहाँ एमएलए और मिनिस्टर आते हैं 15 जनवरी 15 अगस्त 19 दिसंबर 20 जनवरी. अभी उनको भी यही एक स्थान मिला है जैसे कि
Yeah, I got a chance to come along with them.
Yes, come again.
Yes, thank you so much.
We always come.
Yeah, many years he's coming.
Especially I can hear Malayalam. Walking is difficult. Behind that tree and everything. अगले राजभवन
पहिली पाहुली ना पहिले बार आहे ना फर्स्ट टाइम ना फर्स्ट
फटे फटे फटे
These are also some. You are coming from where? Al-Shada.
Pastor is not here.
Yeah.
He's here.
Pastor didn't come.
No, sir didn't come.
So his wife was there.
Children.
पहिली पाहुणे आला ना फर्स्ट टाइम ना फर्स्ट टाइम ऑल फर्स्ट टाइम कसे आहात तुम्ही पहिली पाहुणे आला ना मी फर्स्ट टाइम
We are from Cafe.
बेगिन करता पाऊस येता म्हणून
Thank you for your invitation.
थैंक यू वेरी मच हैप्पी दिवाली हैप्पी दिवाली बहुत खुश हो गए आके बोल के हमको बहुत ये मिला थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
Cafe. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ ഇപ്പൊ എന്നാ വരണ ഇന്ത്യയിലേക്ക്
അതെനിക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും
അറിഞ്ഞത്
കൊടുത്ത പാട്ട് എനിക്കൊരു സന്തോഷം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു കേരളത്തിലെ
അന്ന്
ജാനുവരി 10
ഇപ്പൊ ഗോവ പേപ്പറിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ
അഭിപ്രായം എനിക്കറിയില്ല ഓക്കെ
Where's the mic? Hello. Mic.
मायकार सांगतो लोक
Sir, the mic is there. Mic.
मायकार सांगतो लोक
तिकडे घ्या ना
So this, whenever I visit old age homes and orphanages and children's home, I invite all possible you can come at any time to Ranikari. And day before yesterday, this kids from 5 institutions belongs to all religions, Hindu, Christian, Muslim. 5 institutions participated. Today, of course, from 4 places, people who are ailing, they aged more than 60 years, they came up before us. And next time, on that day, there won't be any press people because HIV affected 21 patients are coming, visiting here. You know, photograph may not be taken. That's law of the land. That is, I am not informing you people. Some press release may be issued on that day. And photography we are sorry. And today morning also, I visited
लोग विश्वास
Loka Vishwas Pratishthan, help deaf people and disabled people, mentally retarded people also. So this movie is very good and big people, big shops in financially, they can also help. And I am very happy to inform you that person who an institution, they offered to give a dialysis machine. They are going to entrust to us within 2 months, and that also I am going to give it to one hospital after consultation with that. And our Deputy Chief Minister, he is very much helped. Okay. Thank you.
Food sanitizer.